Hello everyone, my name is Zulma Guerrero. Welcome to the process of buying a house. This is my identification. There we go. There is something permanent and quite profound about owning your own home. I bought mine when I was only 29 years old, and it has been one of the most wonderful experiences that I have ever had. And I hope that I can help you to manage this process. I know it can be very confusing, but with a couple of tips and a couple of questions that I will be answering for you today, you should be able to feel comfortable with buying your very first home. Again, my name is Zulma Guerrero, and let's get started. The first things that we need to know about buying a house is that it has to be what you need. It has to be what you have dreamed of. Planning the process. We're going to talk about funds, contract, and responsibility today. So when you're getting the funds for a house, you will need a mortgage consultant that would help you to understand the documents that you need to bring to the table, to understand how interest rates work, when is the best time to lock in your rate, and also to help you with the entire process. Once you bring in your pre-qualifications, there's going to be a pre-qualification, and a choosing of a program that fits you best. The one thing that you always need to keep in mind is your credit report. Your credit report is like your ticket into getting the best program and loan possible. So that's the first thing that they're going to pull out for you. Documents that you need to be ready with is your income tax returns, your W-2s, and bank statement. The bank wants to know that you have a steady job so that you are able to repay the loan, of course, and they're going to double check that with W-2s. The completion of your 1003, which is a uniform residential loan application, has to be concise. It has to be 100% correct so that the loan process can be smooth. There is FHA versus conventional loan, as well as VA loans and USDA loans. Depending on where are you in life, one of these four loans may be the one that you're going to go for, but the loan mortgage consultant will be able to assist you with that. Assets. Make sure you have recorded assets. If you have a car and you want to sell it so that you can put it as a down payment, yes, you can do that, but it has to be recorded. Interest rates. Again, your credit report is going to determine what interest rate you get, as well as your down payment. The lower the loan that you want to acquire, the less of an interest rate that you're going to be charged. You will need, of course, a real estate agent to go house hunting with you. The real estate agent is going to help you determine what city, what school district, your commute that you will need. And once the two of you decide what those needs and wants are, you can go house hunting. Take your time. This is your house. This will be your home for you and your family. So there are other responsibilities from you as well. While you are in the process of getting your first home, you must avoid certain things, certain rash decisions that sometimes we want to do, such as buying a new car or depositing $20,000 from grandma into the account. We can't do that. We have to show stability in every aspect of our lives when we're doing this. I hope that the process is very smooth for you, and that soon you can be given the keys to a brand new home that will be everything that you wanted for you and your family. Owning a house, it is definitely one of the most profound, permanent experiences that anybody can have. Thank you for listening.